administrative district in Karnataka. Coorg is also known as Kodagu. This district is one of the smallest yet most picturesque in the state of Karnataka. The old word charm and the laid-back ambience of this region, along with its cool climate, scenic attractions and adventurous terrain, make Coorg the perfect weekend gateway. Coorg referred to Scotland of India. Tourists find themselves in the midst of extensive coffee and tea plantation, commonly known to be the crops of the region. So if you are planning for a relief trip to Coorg, then you have come to the right place. Today in this video, I will be guiding you with 3-night 4-day tour plan for Coorg, along with train details, flight details, hotel details, COVID-19 protocols, best season, day-wise tour plan, cost breakup and entire cost. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Coorg from any part of the country. Coorg is just about 270 km away from Bangalore, 118 km from Mysore and about 150 km from Mangalore. So first by train or by flight reach Bangalore or Mangalore. Then by car or by bus reach Coorg. Flight fare ranges between 5,000 to 6,000 rupees for both sides per person. Train fare will be 1,500 rupees for both sides per person. Bus fare to Coorg will be 500 rupees and cab fare will be 3,000 rupees. Now coming to day-wise tour plan. Day 1. After reaching Coorg, check into your hotel and then visit some nearby places. You can book a cab or auto rickshaw to cover some places. Cost for cab will be 1,500 rupees and auto rickshaw will be 500 to 600 rupees. Start with Abbey Falls, cascading down from a height of 70 feet. It's a true sight to be cherished. Then go to Iruppu Falls, tucked away in the Brahmagiri mountain range. Then visit Malali Falls, cascading from 200 feet located at the foothills of Pushpagiri mountains. Then go to Raja's Seat, the sprawling garden perched on a hillock, one of the must-visit places of Coorg. Then visit Kaveri Nisarga Dhama, situated on the bank of river Kaveri. The 64 km long river island offers perfect seating to relax in lap of nature. Once done with those places, back to hotel and overnight stay at Coorg. Day 2. On day 2, cover the famous tourist attraction of Coorg. Start with Harangi Dam. This reservoir stands against the Harangi river, a tributary of river Kaveri. Then visit the Mandalapatti viewpoint, which translates to Market of Cloud. Then visit Madikeri Fort. It houses a historic fort along with sculptures and a museum. Then go to Omkareshwar temple. It's an old temple, unique in its structure, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Then go to Honnamana Kera Lake. Being the largest lake in the region, this lake attracts good number of tourists every year. Then visit Kotabeta Peak, situated at an altitude of 1020 meter. It's at the border between the Dakshina Kannada and Coorg district. Then go to Nehru Mandap. You will get a view of the mountain with captivating view of the town. Once done with all those places, back to hotel and overnight stay at Coorg. Day 3. On day 3, visit the Dubare Elephant Camp. The camp houses about 10 cottages to give tourists an opportunity to witness some of the best elephant attraction. If you want, you can stay there for one night. Day 4. Back to Bangalore or Mangalore and then back to your onward destination. This is how your entire trip will end here. October to March is the best time for adventure, especially for trekking. March and April are favored months to experience the valley shrouded in white flowers. You will get a lot of budget hotel and also resort in Coorg. Price ranges between 1,500 to 4,000 rupees per night. I have mentioned few below in the description box. Coorg is open for tourists now. You need to follow few COVID-19 protocol to visit the place issued by Karnataka government. Artificial negative test report from ICMR approved laboratory not earlier than 72 hours is mandatory, or you can show at least 1 dose of vaccination certificate. All travelers shall submit self-declaration form on the online portal at least 72 hours before the scheduled date of travel. Link for health declaration given below in the description box. All passengers are advised to download Arogya Setu app, Quarantine Watch app and Apathomitra app on their devices. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Coorg. If you want any other information, please leave your comment below in the comment section. So now this is the cost breakup for the entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.